I did here is I just reset the system, and now it's already spinning for the last 5 minutes. How to reset this? The method that I use is different from the other source that already contact LG for this one. The method that I use is I turn off the power, remove the plug, then I press the start and pause button for 5 seconds, and plug again the power and power on. Sorry, it should be like this. Should turn off, press the off button, then remove the power, press 5 seconds of start and pause. Then after this, you need to plug again the power, then push the on, then start. It's only that. I read it over almost 3 times now. It's working already. It's already drying. And because of that, guys, I hope you can subscribe and like my video. Thanks. That's all for now. Thank you, guys.